was stupid. Get off the floor. Look at him now. Look, he's walking with his head to the side. I see the same. Throw it to the garbage. Throw it to the garbage. Throw it to the garbage. Where's the phone at? Ooh. Hello? Hello? Oh, we went to Dad's work to ask him who's gonna pick you up, but he's already on his way. He's suburban. I think like 5 minutes ago. Throw it in the garbage! Sifa! Stop! Don't play with it. No, I don't know. Did he have money? Cause I guess he's not home yet, but we think he went to go get something to eat or something. Nah? No. Dad said money told him he don't get out till 2:45. Oh, well, he's not home yet. Huh? Yep.